front of us and here on our left, all this has been built since 1970.
I have just ordered a hot dog, which I'm excited about eating. Hopefully it's good. And I'm with my colleague Margarita, who's over there. Hey Margarita. Hello. I'm drinking a hot chocolate. I am with the pizza. Enjoying this tour. Having our snacks. You've got a hot chocolate, yeah. I've got a hot dog. So we're excited about the tour. We're excited to see all the sights that we'll be seeing today. It's actually really good. I took one bite and dropped it on the floor, so now I'm left hungry, but it's okay.
Sometimes this waterfall simply can't fall down.
We've just gotten to Skogafoss. Here we are. It's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. It's all white. There's the waterfall back there. And there is the stairs all the way to the top. It's very, very icy. See, there is the waterfall. It is super powerful. Part of the waterfall is actually frozen. Oh my goodness, this is actually so wonderful, so beautiful, and as you can see, we're about to leave, just taking some photos, but now we're going. It's wonderful. Okay, so on to the next place. I'm okay, I can walk. I should have brought the spikes for the bottom of my shoes. It's super slippery because like so many people come here every day and flatten the ice. This is Skogafoss. We are leaving now. So we've just stopped. Glacier Lagoon isn't too far away. We're just gonna grab some lunch. Hey, Margarita is still here, of course. Let's go and get some food. I'm thinking of trying lamb, but we'll see. We'll see how appealing it looks. This is the lunch. Lamb, potatoes, some sauce and some salad on the side. And then of course we split the Coke.
Underneath the ice, we had the eruptions going on under the ice, so we have a lot of ash and gravel and all that.
Finally gotten to the Glacier Lagoon. Let me show you. Feels so nice and soft to walk on this side. Lots of ice, lots of chunky ice. Guys. Oh. Now this is a big piece of ice. There's even a bird stuck in it. Poor bird. Stunning. It's moving. You see it? It is moving. And that is what a glacier is all about. Glacier is sinking. Finally got to the top. Well, it didn't take that long. It took like 5 seconds. Like 10 seconds, 15 seconds. From up here. It's a beautiful view. Wow. There we have it. Let's see. Just walking back to the bus now. I think I might actually take a nap.
They've been complaining a lot because the weather forecast might say peak of summer, wind and rain, and so they are very upset here because when you come here it's a clear sky.
Oh, we've just made a stop and apparently this is a bridge. This is part of a bridge. Right, so we've just made another stop for dinner and we're gonna grab something to eat. It's slippery. I was actually sleeping on the bus. Managed to grab myself some mango. The supermarket in the storm. Yeah. We've made another stop. Guess where we are? Definitely gonna get something from here, even if it's, oh, I got mango. But now like I want something. Oh, finally back home. My shoes are completely wet.